softened up by the scalder. And then the next step is to go into the picking machine, which has a whole lot of rubber fingers that rotate that take off the feathers. There are a few little bits and pieces of feathers still attached, and employees on the line will remove those. And then the next step is to put them on a different type of shackle that just holds them by the drumsticks because the feet have been removed. And then they go further on down the process where the insides are taken out. The first step in making sure that carcasses stay clean is a hose is used to evacuate feces. It's very important to avoid fecal contamination on the carcass. And then as the turkeys move down the line, the innards are removed in varying steps. And it's really important during these steps to not rupture and break the innards, because again, that would contaminate the carcass. Many of these processes are done by hand in turkeys. This would be very similar to pork processing plant. In chickens, a lot of these processes are highly automated, but in turkeys they're bigger, the lines are slower, so these step-by-step process of carefully removing the innards is done by hand. At this point, there is a USDA inspection station where the innards of the bird are inspected. In all types of meat processing, you don't want to waste anything. So all different parts of the animal get different uses. At this point, they're cleaning out any remnants that might be left after the innards have been completely removed. There's an employee that does checks for carcass defects. This is a really important part of the plant's quality assurance program. Also, it's part of continuous improvement. These sorts of inspections are really important for ensuring quality product. This shows turkeys going into a chiller tank to get chilled. And this particular plant uses water bath chilling. The turkeys are chilled for 5 hours. The birds are emerging from the chiller, going to have to be rehung back up on shackles so they can go into the deboning line and be taken apart.